grab a picture of the screen and save that picture to disk. This is something that's useful to anyone who wants to show screenshots for software demos or add them to documentation. And in C# it's really easy to do. Let me show you how. First, I created a Windows Forms application in Visual Studio and I dropped onto it a panel, that's this panel down at the bottom, and I docked it to the bottom of the form and I put 3 buttons inside the panel. The grab button down here is the one that really does the work. I created a click event handler and this is my code. First, I get the dimensions of the main screen. I do that using the .NET screen class. Its primary screen property returns an object that represents the main screen. Its bounds property returns a rectangle giving the boundary dimensions of the screen, and I assign that rectangle to the rect variable. Now I need to copy an image from that screen area. I do that by creating a bitmap object of the same width and height as the rectangle that I just initialized. This bitmap BM doesn't yet hold any image. I now need to create a graphics object. The fromImage method obtains a reference to the image object associated with the bitmap BM. I copy the data, that's the actual image, from the screen, and I do that using the graphic object's copy from screen method. The first 2 integer parameters here specify the x and y coordinates of the source image, that is the position of the top left corner. For the full screen, those coordinates are 0. The next 2 parameters specify the destination image's xy coordinates, also 0. And the final parameter, the rectangular region to be copied, which is given by the size property of my rect variable. Finally, I display the bitmap on the background of the form. Now this is called when the grab screen button is clicked, and I just hide the form, then put a 2-second delay, and then call grab screen and re-show the form. You need to use system threading for this delay. Now, if I go back to the form, you can see that the clear button here, well, that just clears the background image, and it also disables the save button as there will now be no image to save. That button is re-enabled when an image has been grabbed up here. And the save button saves the image to disk in the current directory in the BMP format. So that's it. Really quick and simple. If you want to take this further, I teach a whole course on screen grabbing from C#. That explains how to do all kinds of things, such as save an image of a selected window, save the image from different monitors, mark and save a rectangular area on screen, and a lot more besides. I've put a link to that course down below. But for a simple full screen grabbing tool, the code that I've explained in this video is really all that you need.